Hi, Deb Gaff here, and I am excited to be joining Northside Middle School as a computer science teacher. And we're going to really focus on learning how to write code. Don't worry, it's not hard. You don't have to be a genius to learn how to write a computer program. I'm going to take you step by step through that process. We're going to experiment a little bit with block languages. Specifically, we're going to look at Scratch programming. And if you are just really itching to learn a little bit more, we'll explore a little bit of Python programming, which is text-based programming. Python is one of the top two languages in programming that is used in the industry. Speaking of industry, teaching is my second career. I started my career as a computer programmer, and I was a computer programmer for 25 years before I started teaching. I love teaching students how to code, and I'm just looking forward to having class with you and just exploring what things we can create, what ideas you have, and just having a little bit of fun in class. See you soon.